Awo we basula izo kati ze nyumba. Let me pass.
We only gave him 76 votes. Anyway, more was rigged by the ruling government. I cannot fear to say it. We hope next time. People power!
We are here to support this community and to tell them that the National Unity Platform stands with them, and we are not going to stop at this. Of course, our president is not in the country at the moment. He would have been here, but he also sent condolences and is aware that we are in this place to extend support to these our people.
What do you think should have? What do you think government should do?
The efforts are many, but that, of course, includes, for example, putting in place measures to ensure that the people here do not build on the highlands. You know, that they're able to build in the lowlands, but also with government support, because they are very poor. If you see these families, the reason why they do that is, first of all, look at the structures that were taken by water. These are just semi-permanent structures which are, you know, extremely weak, and the flood will just wash them away. So there should be efforts to sensitize this community, for example, and support them. Don't provide alternatives, don't provide land for them. They are bound not to follow that advice that you're taking. So that is why we are here to say that the community here needs empowerment, they need education, and they need development generally in general terms.
And relocation. Do you think relocation is of?
That's what I talked about. They need an alternative place to be able to have proper structures, proper houses. If you look at the hygiene of this place, people are prone to all sorts of diseases because of the manner in which they are living. But all that, in my view, is attributed to poverty, high levels of poverty, without the government taking any intervention to assist them.
So finally, in English, what have you brought?
Now we have come in to help our people. We brought mattresses, we brought jerry cans, we brought food, kosho, beans, sugar, we brought salt, we brought blankets. We know they don't have blankets, and many other things that are buckets and other things that we want to distribute to these people. Kunga Uganda kunga. Chairman Somamanya.
Madam. This one.
What are you doing?
Ena abantu gye basula. Mukama Katonda alaba ennyumba. Mukama banange. Laba ennyumba. laba layini ku bintu bya National Unity Platform byerese. Laba layini abantu bazisimbira bakutandikira eri mabega. Kitegeeza government terina kye yakoze. Tennaba kujjako bayamba na kulaba we basuze. Tennaba naye ng'enjega eno ya tugirabye nga ku mawulire. Aba National Unity Platform ne bagamba leka baali bakampeininga lwaki tebajja ne bayamba ku bantu. Laba layini. People are seriously badly off. People are seriously badly off. Look at the ladies. Laba abantu bonna. Bali bubi to the maximum. NUP His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert webale nnyo kulaba nti ate abantu obadduukirira kubanga basimbirwa akasota okufuna ebintu. Nowe NRM yuyo naye bamuwadde. Nowe NRM bamuwadde. Nowe NRM bamuwadde ebintu. We NRM tenaba badduukirira naye bawadde. No FDC yuyo naye bamudduukiridde tewali buzibu. Nange ekasese laba abantu gye basula mmwe bannange laba abantu gye basula balanga abapoliisi balabe.
Oh my God. Now you can see why they needed mattresses. Tebalina we basula. Tebalina
ya kusulako.
Tebalina mifaliso. Tebalina bulangiti.
Abasajja tusigala mu buyumba abakyala n'abana tubasuza mu church. Enokelezia tena malano ya denia kwenda ati abachala twasuza munabana twabasabye kibera wawe mu
mulimu n'abantu abeebase. Mulimu n'abantu abeebase. Nze yeebase n'omwana. Abantu mwebali bya serious eno church Mukama Yesu Maria.
Mzee. Bananga tuletete kubiyambi.
Matsipo
Tamanyi Uganda.
Matsipo. Now in addition. Baba nama sakulevia Vendruka bakulangere.
Uyo mufamily ye abakudema abantu 10.
Ye badisaza lolo mukyale gutwasisa wali
nabantu
bonabo bazikulu be.
Sorry. Mzee, omanyi Uganda.
Kana lowa. Tamanyi nasenyega. Ukana lowa.
Omanyi Luzungu ko. Omanyi Luzungu mzee.
Gamba bano bamugambe. Unasio kwa lukusungu. Wasio lukonzolosi. No mfo kubuza
kitalo nnyo okufirwa abantu bo.
Bolobolo mzee. Ngobolobolo.
Matsipo be people baba masakulevya abe people bawa baba masakulevya
abaleka mufaliso bagwe mzee.
In addition,
ani kati enda kwera direct mgantu seri
ino kuderi ne passing information. Banga kati sangu bali mu yoku.